Welcome, in front of me is a Doogee S50, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through the recovery mode. So to begin the process, we want to shut off the device, hold the power key and select power off, confirm it, and now we just wait for it to power off. And once it has, as from right now, has powered off, you want to hold power key and volume up. So both of those keys at the same time. And when you see the Doogee logo, you can let go. And from here, we'll have to use a volume keys to navigate. So volume down goes down and up goes up. And with that in mind, you want to select wipe data factory reset. And once it's selected, as it is right now, confirm it with the power key. And then once more, select yes, delete all user data. Right here, power key to confirm it, and the process will begin. Now at this stage, it's a fairly quick one. Get a dialog box at the bottom, and here we go, it's finished, at least at this point. Data wipe complete, and reboot system now is selected by default, so press power key once more, and the device will reboot. And now it will actually continue to do the process, or performing the process in the background, while it's gonna basically look at it's stuck at powering on. So this will probably go for like a minute or two, and once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.